Introducing BFSI Gen AI Apps in SparkFlows. Generative AI is today powering valuable use cases. SparkFlows Gen AI-driven analytical apps enable business users with their analytical use cases. Built in order of minutes with simple drag-and-drop interface, analytical apps feature a powerful and interactive front end. Now let's dive deep into live demo, showcasing the impressive capabilities of analytical apps in action. Here is a glimpse of App Store. This is Summarization app in action. Click Browse to select the file. Click Load File to upload the content. Click Summarize to get the results. Type to search the topics. Click Search to get the results. This is Translation app in action. Click Browse to select the file. Click Load File to upload the content. Select Language and click the Select button to get the results. Type to search a new topic and click the Search button to get the response. This is Sentiment Analysis app in action. Select file containing banking customer reviews. Click Load File to upload the content. Click Execute to view the sentiments of the customers. This is Document Query app in action. Select the latest news article on Indian banking to query the content. Click Load to upload the content. Type the query and click Search to get the response. Download text or PDF version of the result.